Hey guys, welcome to the third part of my online video school. The third part is called, I don't know, something like adding the first hex. I actually forgot. So let's just start from where we finished last time. Open Visual Basic, Dragon Fable Trainer, and today we're gonna add our very first hack, which I usually call stat hack. For the stat hack, we'll need another timer, so add a timer and rename it into stat hack. Now also add two buttons, so first one and the second one. You may also want to add a label just to know why these two buttons are for. Here change the text of the label into stat hack and change the for color into, I don't know, just anything you like. I think I'll choose orange red. So rename the first button to on and resize it a bit, and rename the second one into off, also resize it. So here you can just move them, I don't know, here. Now let's start adding the code. First, double click on stat hack. Now what we need to do is we have to call first me dot ax shockwave flash dot set variable set variable brackets opened and then quotation mark, what's that called, under, I forgot, then root dot character dot int for integer strength, let's say strength, capital STR and quotation mark, comma, space. Now add the value of the strength, that add the new value of strength that will appear on your character after you activate the stat hack. So let's say, I don't know, just a random huge number and brackets closed. So that's how to increase the strength. Now we can also do it for intelligence, for example. Just copy the whole line, paste it here, and replace that with IMT with capital I, which means intelligence, and just write any other number. Now you can again add another line and do the same for, let's say, luck. replace str with capital A U K, and again just a random number, but don't set it too high. Now I will, in the description of the video, I will paste all the possible variables that you can change, so you'll be able to include all of them so that your stats will really be, you know, very high and very good. Now what else we need to do is go to form1.vb design and double click on the button that says on. Now write the next line of code. Me dot stat hack, which is our timer that sets our variables, dot start, and brackets open, brackets closed. So that's all. Go back to the design, double click on off, and write me dot stat hack dot stop, brackets open, brackets closed. Now I think this should work. Let's test it. The game has loaded. Now let's just log in. Oh my god, who's calling me now? Yep. Yeah. Yeah, of course, baby, yes. Yes. Yeah, I'll meet you at the cafe. Yeah, bye. Oh my god, stupid women. So here we are. Let's check our stats. Strength 0, intelligence 0, luck 0. Now let's turn the stat hack on, and voila! You can see our stats increased. If we turn it off, well, they need some time to go back to normal. Let's see now. Well, although they say that there's still plus an enormous number, it isn't like that. You just have to enter a battle and you'll see that whenever the stat hack is off, the stats will actually be normal. I don't know, the numbers just stay, but they actually don't work. So what else can we do? For example, we can click on the Dragon Fable trainer here on the form, and we can select form border style and select fixed single. This means that whenever you start it, you won't be able to resize it, but since there's still a little black color over here, we'll, during the next parts, we'll resize it and I'll tell you the exact numbers, so the picture will actually be perfect. I think that this is all for this part, and I hope we see each other in part 4. Bye.